Yes, Mazza and crew, so back once again. Thanks for all your comments regarding fixing the PC. I'm going to try out quite a few bits and pieces of it. Shout out to So Sharp for mentioning the USB 3 usually gives hassle. I did try that though. I plugged in my USB thumb drive with Windows 10 on it, and for some reason it just hangs when you try to install. And it seems like the power's flicking off, so I still suspect it's the power supply. Just another little heads up, I'm also trying to configure my old Windows 7 PC, and because I had that over on the left side of the studio before, and basically the idea was for me to put it over on the right side so I can get it nearer the Akai. I can also have another monitor up here that I've been using, and I've been using that for the Amiga. So I'm going to put an HDMI switcher so I can use the Amiga and also have it for the PC when I need to. That way I can also use it for live streaming. I can put sort of live comments up there. The chat box can go up there while I'm doing my live streams and stuff. So that's a pretty cool bonus. It's something I've been meaning to do. Just having a bit of hassle with the SCSI. For some reason it's giving me a lot of grief at the moment. Even though it all boots up and it sees it on the computer, for some reason I'm finding that it's not actually booting up into Windows 7. So I've got loads of little bits and pieces to sort out. Main thing at the moment is just to get the live stream back on and get that working. I can possibly stream from my Mac, but again, my Mac's, I don't think it's stable enough to handle the whole shabam, the DJing, etc., blah blah blah, and also, you know, adding all of the all of the live stream stuff on there as well as DJing. It's not really going to work. So guys, that's really kind of where I'm at with it at the moment. After this, I'm going to pop down to my print shop and try and see if I can find a power supply and see if I can put the new power supply into that PC over there. I could just swap the power supplies from my Windows 7 PC and put it into the Windows 10 PC, but you know what, I don't want to mess with this, because you know these computers have a habit of, you open it up to do one thing and just open up a whole can of worms. Next thing you know, grief. So if you've got any suggestions, guys, please feel free to comment down below. That's it for now. Oh yeah, one more thing, I've also got to get my Akai, because I was planning on putting my my SideQuest drive literally underneath my Akai S3200. So what I'm going to have to do, I've got a bit of rack space down here, which I'm going to undo all these screws. I've got all these screws to undo. I'm going to take this down to there and then bring this down a bit and bring everything basically down one unit, so that the SideQuest over there sits underneath the Akai, and probably even the easy SCSI drive. I'll see how I get on with that. That's all I've got to say for today. I'm going to keep you posted, and hopefully I'll see you on the next live stream. Take care, God bless, peace.